Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, a makeup tutorial on how I did this nude makeup look. I haven't recorded a video in so long, so everything feels so brand new to me. It's probably been 2 months. So this video makes me look all over the place. Because I forgot how to what do I put on first? What do I put on next? What goes above my eyeshadow? What goes under my eyeshadow? So everything feels so fresh to me and it's so different. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the finished outcome. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe, comment, and enjoy. Hey loves, so I already primed my face, did my eyebrows, and concealed my eyelids because this usually takes me a while to do. I love my eyebrows to be perfect, even though perfect is not a real thing. So right now, I am setting my eyelids with the air spun loose powder so it won't move, and then when I use my eyeshadow, it'll let it stay in place. So yeah, I don't put that much on it because it's just my eyelids. So yeah. And then right now, I'm using the e.l.f. powder brush to dust off some of the air spun powder. Now right now, I am concealing I have a lot of dark spots on my face, especially my nose area, and then when I don't put concealer or color corrector, it tends to show after a while when I've had my makeup on. And I couldn't find my color corrector anywhere. I don't know where I put it. I haven't done my makeup in so long. And so I just decided to use my concealer. So right now I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Primer in Coconut. And I usually have to hit the foundation powder on my face, not too hard, just to get some of the foundation out of the bottle. Because it was in the middle of the bottle, it wasn't that much left in the bottle. I didn't want to use a new bottle for this video. So yeah. And I used the e.l.f. foundation brush to spread it across my face so it can blend easily and nicely. So right now I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in 356 Warm Coconut. I usually have to blend two different foundations to get my exact color because I've been inside a lot lately because of the whole quarantine stuff, and my skin complexion got much lighter. So yeah. My hair, I'm spreading it again across my face to make sure it blends properly. And with the other foundation to make sure it gets close to my skin color. So yeah. Mind you, I haven't done my makeup in a while, so it looks like I'm all over in this video. So right here, I picked up my Wet n Wild foundation brush to blend the foundation to my skin. remember I used the two different foundations. That's why I had to put my hair up because the hair was getting in my face. And yeah, it really takes me this long to put on foundation. But due to not putting makeup on in a while, and I've been inside for a couple months, I had to make sure the foundation correctly matches my skin tone, or at least close. So right here, I started putting on my concealer. Then I realized I ran out of the concealer. So I went ahead and tossed it behind me and grabbed a new one from my extra makeup bin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it under my eyelids to the bridge of my nose, on my upper lip and my chin. I usually put it sideways in a triangle form because I have a long face. And yeah, so as I let my concealer sit for a little bit, I'm going ahead and using the LA Colors Nude eyeshadow palette to put on my eyelids. I'm showing which colors I'm using, and I'm using the e.l.f. eyeshadow blending brush to pat the eyeshadow on my lower eyelids. When it comes to eyeshadow, I have to be very precise because I have hyperpigmentation, so like certain parts of my skin are very dark. Not very dark, but like they're two different colors. Like I have a two-tone skin, so I'm very like specific with how I put my eyeshadow on because of how it comes out. If I don't put enough, or if I don't apply it as well. So right here, I picked up my Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush to blend my eyeshadow in a little bit. So now I'm picking up my beauty blender and I'm patting in the concealer. I'm blending in the concealer, not patting, blending. I have to put my eyes up so I can blend it well. So it will go, stay, sit, and set properly. For right here, I had to add a little bit more under it because it didn't. I don't think I put enough under my eyelids, under my eyelids, my nose, and my upper lip. So right now I'm blending it again. I usually put double to hide the dark circles under my eyes and hide the lines on my nose, the dark spots as well. If you're me looking up, I look like I have no eye pupils. Pat, 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 a pat, 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 a pat, 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 a pat. I was actually saying pat, pat, pat while I was doing it in my head, so I'm still patting. Pat, 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 pat. You guys, this was also my first time doing a voiceover. I'm usually talking during a video, but I feel like the video would have taken longer. So right now I'm going in again with my Airspun translucent face powder, and I'm going to apply it under my eyelids. So much fallout, so much extra powder just flew everywhere. So I picked up my beauty blender and I put it under my eyelids. I'm also gonna put it on my nose, my upper lip, and my chin. And then I picked up my black opal powder and I'm gonna put it on, I forgot what it's called, the sides of my face. I usually suck in my lips like a fish to make sure it blends in properly. And I use the back of my beauty blender and I also put it on my forehead. Because I have a forehead, a big forehead, a 5 head. I love it. Own it, girls, own it. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder brush to dust off some of the white powder, some of the Airspun powder. So here I picked up a concealer brush and blended in some foundation to cover some of the dark spots. I didn't go all the way in with my foundation, so I'm just fixing it up a little bit. So right here, I'm using my NYX matte setting spray. I ran out, that's why I was shaking the bottle like that. Now I'm using my hands to let it dry quickly instead of letting it sit on my face and making like water spots all over my face. Fan, fan, fan. So here I put Carmax on my lips. Nobody wants no dry lips. It's my favorite lip balm. I have them everywhere. In my makeup bag, in my school bag, in my purse. So right now I'm using the Great Lash Mascara in black on my eyelids. I usually put eyeliner on, but I didn't feel like doing it today because it usually takes me a while to take it off when I put makeup on, or when I take my makeup off. It takes me forever to take off my eyeliner. And I actually have long eyelashes, so thank God. So since I'm not wearing any eyeliner, I took a while to put a little bit longer to put my mascara on to make sure it looks decent and my eyelashes look longer than they are without it. And sometimes I get watery eyes when I put mascara on. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I wear glasses, or maybe because sometimes my eyelashes poke my eyeballs. It drives me insane, but yeah. So that's it, you guys. This is my nude makeup look. Fixing my hair. Kind of got some hair in my mouth, so I'm trying to fix my hair a little bit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.